Marketing is essential for businesses that want to succeed in the competitive marketplace. Strategies for increasing the effectiveness of advertising and marketing include understanding the target audience, focusing on storytelling, prioritizing personalization, using data-driven decision-making, prioritizing omnichannel marketing, prioritizing influencer marketing, prioritizing customer reviews and testimonials, prioritizing search engine optimization, and ongoing monitoring and optimization. By prioritizing these strategies, businesses can increase engagement, improve conversion rates, and achieve their marketing goals. In addition to the strategies mentioned above, businesses can also benefit from incorporating video content into their advertising and marketing efforts. Video content has become increasingly popular in recent years, with many consumers preferring to watch videos over reading text-based content. By incorporating video content into advertising and marketing campaigns, businesses can increase engagement and capture the attention of their target audience. Another important aspect of increasing the effectiveness of advertising and marketing is to prioritize social media advertising. Social media platforms, such as Facebook and Instagram, offer powerful advertising tools that allow businesses to target their advertising to specific demographics and interests. By using social media advertising, businesses can increase the reach and effectiveness of their advertising efforts and reach new audiences. To further enhance the effectiveness of advertising and marketing, businesses should prioritize mobile optimization. With more and more consumers using mobile devices to browse the internet and make purchases, it is essential for businesses to ensure that their advertising and marketing efforts are optimized for mobile devices. This includes ensuring that the website is mobile-friendly, that email campaigns are optimized for mobile devices, and that advertising is targeted to mobile users. Another important aspect of increasing the effectiveness of advertising and marketing is to prioritize brand consistency. Brand consistency involves ensuring that all advertising and marketing efforts are consistent with the brand's values, messaging, and visual identity. By maintaining brand consistency across all channels, businesses can build brand recognition and trust with their target audience. To further optimize the effectiveness of advertising and marketing, businesses should prioritize user-generated content, UGC. UGC involves using content created by users, such as reviews, photos, and videos, to promote the brand. By incorporating UGC into advertising and marketing campaigns, businesses can increase engagement and build trust with their target audience. Finally, businesses should prioritize ongoing testing and experimentation when seeking to increase the effectiveness of advertising and marketing. Advertising and marketing campaigns should be regularly tested and optimized based on the data and feedback collected. By regularly testing and experimenting with different strategies and tactics, businesses can identify what works best for their target audience and achieve their marketing goals more effectively. In conclusion, increasing the effectiveness of advertising and marketing requires a comprehensive approach that prioritizes video content, social media advertising, mobile optimization, brand consistency, user-generated content, and ongoing testing and experimentation. By prioritizing these strategies, businesses can increase engagement, improve conversion rates, and achieve their marketing goals effectively and efficiently. Another effective strategy for increasing the effectiveness of advertising and marketing is to prioritize content marketing. Content marketing involves creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience.